I was just saying how I wish it would rain, and the wind picked up. Oh, oh, and lo and behold, it is raining. So I'm gonna close the door now because I got what I wished for. Some beautiful rain in my evening garden. Hope y'all like. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, let me stop being foolish and close this door. Something is definitely not right. Can you all hear the hail that's bouncing off my windows? Oh my gosh, I walked away from the door for a quick second and there's hail. It's literally bouncing off. I hope you guys can see it. The wind threw my plant down. Oh man, this is bad. This is not good at all. I'm getting away from this door. This is crazy. Wow. So last night's storm knocked over that pot right there and broke my wind chime. So I'm gonna see if I can fix it. As you can see, there's a mess on the ground from where the soil spilled out. This chair right here was thrown into the table, and there was a black chair over in this corner that you cannot see that was thrown to the ground. So outside of that, the garden doesn't appear to have any major damage. Oh, I forgot the umbrella right there thrown to the ground. So outside of that, I don't see any major disruption. I have wine bottles that my sister gave me spread out all over the patio for citronella candles to go in them. I don't have the candles in them. I don't keep the candles in them because the temperatures have been getting into the 80s and it would just destroy the candle. So that's why, if you all were ever wondering why there are wine bottles everywhere, because they're used for candles. But the garden itself is looking pretty good. No major damage. Oh, it blew off the top of my chimney. My chimney top. It was on, sorry about that, y'all. Let's refocus. Focus. Come on, y'all. Focus. Why is it doing that? Because my finger was in the way. Let's try. Sorry about that. It was not focusing, but the chimney top blew off. It's larger than I thought it was going to be, but I had it for a long while in a box, like I tend to have things, so I couldn't send it back. So it works for what it needs to work for. I'm not really concerned about it. I haven't lit that chimney yet. I will be buying another one for my broken chimney because I don't want embers to be flying around and setting my house on fire or anyone else's house on fire. But outside of that, the garden looks really good. I haven't checked any of the water barrels yet to see how much water they have taken in. It was a really bad storm. It's early, you can see right over there. The sun is beginning to come up over that house. That's why it looks like it does. But this is what the garden looks like. I haven't been outside. It's very cool out. So I've only just opened up the back door just to see what things look like. My electricity was out for many hours, so I've got to look at the refrigerator and the freezers to see if there's any major damage there. But this is what the garden looks like after that major storm. I mean, it came down last night, y'all. And I think the electricity was out from like 11 to about 5 this morning. And how I know that is because my mother called to give me a wake up. But since I'm off today, I didn't have to get up and go to work. I was gonna do some work out in the garden, but I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit because it's a little chilly for me. And I think I'm just gonna sit down and have a cup of tea. So this is what it looks like, y'all. My garden looks so much different than what it looked like a year ago, and I will be showing you guys a picture of what this garden looked like a year ago versus what it looks like now. And it is continuing to change because I do have some more structures I'm going to be putting in. I will be putting in a shed that's not ready yet. I've had a couple of hiccups with that, but when it's in, you all will see it. It'll be over there where the garden cart is. So that's it for me today, y'all. Hope you enjoyed this sneak peek of the garden as the storm ravaged it. I guess I can't say ravaged because it's not as much damage as it has been. And I will put a clip in of what the storm looked like prior to this storm. We've had 2 storms. As you can see, the TP over there, I took the cover off and put a trellis on it, and I'll show you what the storm did the last time to include this video right here. So thanks guys, bye. The wind has struck me again, so I come outside after work, and this is what is going on out here. Sometimes you just feel like you can't win for losing